You probably know that you are making history of Slovenia Players Award. This is your second award. What does it mean for you?
Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very honored. It's a pleasure to be here, and I'm very happy to have another premiere here in Slovenia. And I want to say thank you for all the players. Thank you for Slovenia for me to get in this time, in this level of my life. Like you say, I'm making history here. This is for me, it means too much, and because of this I'm still here in Slovenia, and I hope this will be the last time I will be much time here.
Okay, so have you expected these awards? Last season was really a good season. Have you expected this result, or you weren't just thinking about that?
No, of course. Every year I want to be the best. Every year I want to give my best for the team, and of course, first I must think first for the team to win the games, to be a champion. And this premier, this is for me is a consequence, and of course I expect this, and this is motivating me to go forward.
Do you think that it's easier to get this award from attacker because you score goals rather than midfielder and defender or goalkeeper?
No, it's not easy. You must work hard, you must train hard, and I'm very happy and I'm thankful for everyone, everything, for Spins also, to have this celebrity, this part. This is a wonderful for football here in Slovenia.
If we are talking about this season, and let's say that this season ends in this moment, in your opinion, who was the best player of the first part of this season?
In our team?
No, in general talking.
All European. It's for me Cristiano Ronaldo. He's the best. He's in good form, and he shows every game. He scores a lot of goals, and for me he's the best in this moment.
And in Slovenia?
In Slovenia, we have many good players in Slovenia. We have in our team Mezga, Volaš, they play very good. Mertel also, and Vršić from Olympia. We have very good players.
Thank you very much. Good luck.